Today I'm bringing you some DIY Valentine gift ideas that you'll actually want to give someone for Valentine's Day. These are very quickly made, easy to put together, and only cost a few bucks using mostly Dollar Tree items. Please hit the thumbs up button, make sure you are subscribed, and let's get on into it. For the first gift idea, I wanted to take a photo and really dress it up. Now, I played around a lot with pressed flowers last year, and it was so much fun. I knew I was dying to do this for a Valentine gift idea, so I wanted to make this on a larger scale. I grabbed 2 of the 5x7 picture frames, any style that you like, just go ahead and grab. And you just need the second frame for the piece of glass, but you need the entire frame of the first one. So I printed out a picture of me and my husband, and then I'm going to attach it down to the glass. Now, I love how it looks whenever you spray this like Elmer spray glue on top of glass. It gives it like a really cool textured effect. So I went ahead and went with that. If you don't like it, you can just choose to hot glue or super glue or any type of adhesive that would be like clear or really thin. You can glue all of these down. I love picking up my pressed flowers from Hobby Lobby, but they also have them on Amazon, very inexpensive. I think I paid like $5 per pack at Hobby Lobby for these, but I am able to use them on multiple projects. I went ahead and sprayed the entire frame and just stuck the flowers down in place, and then sprayed it again for more of that fun texture. I ended up taking the little prongs out of the back of the frame so I could hot glue it down so nothing would show through the back, but I love this so much. I want to take each of my kids' pictures and put one in a frame and just decorate around it and make like a whole scenery of this. I just feel like this is such a nice personalized dress up gift that anyone would love to receive. Next, you'll need any size like gift box. They have them at Dollar Tree, but I went for a bigger one from Walmart. It was under $5 and it was tall enough to hold some cupcakes. So I just picked up out of the Walmart bakery some inexpensive plain cupcakes. They need to be plain for this, but I wanted to make like a cupcake decorating kit. Now, this would be so fun for just absolutely anyone that you don't get like a serious Valentine gift for, but this would even be like really cute for your kids or just family that you want to hand these out to. But Dollar Tree has sprinkles, you can go for that, or Walmart has inexpensive sprinkles. That is still a really great deal, and you are getting more of like a Valentine theme rather than just picking up the pink and the red. But I put some cupcakes down in this box with some tissue paper, put some of the sprinkles around in the sides, and then using some little like cupcake holders or little cups from Dollar Tree, I put in some conversation hearts and more sprinkles just to really make it look cute. So with this being 6 cupcakes, I think it would be really cute to like gift as a family. For if you were just giving this to like a kid, you could do a smaller box from Dollar Tree with like 1 or 2 cupcakes in there. But it's presented really well, and then once they get them out, my kids had an absolute blast decorating what was left over of these cupcakes. It was really cute and just another fun gift idea. Speaking of some incredible things you need for this Valentine's Day, I want to thank Love and Pies for sponsoring this video. Love and Pies is a heartwarming 2-merge puzzle game with a twist. It's free to download for phones and tablets. Love and Pies follows the journey of Amelia Green, who is a single mom that is moving to the country to live in her family's old cafe and restore it to its former glory and uncover the dark family secrets. You're going to get to help out Amelia and solve mysteries, earning coins along the way to help build a thriving business, getting to follow a cozy mystery while getting to be creative in designing the new cafe. I enjoy playing Love and Pies when I just need a quick rest or a breakup in my day. You get to match ingredients and fun surprises together to make new items and baked goods. You're fulfilling orders, serving customers, and getting to renovate the cafe. Love and Pies is perfect for your busy schedule. You can just hop on there and fulfill orders quickly. Perfect to switch off work or chores and just take a few minutes of me time or you time, leaving you feeling refreshed. With over 4.5 million downloads, you have to go check it out for yourself. I will leave a link down in the description box underneath this video, and you can go download Love and Pies with my link in the description box and go try it out for yourself. It is the cutest game ever. Go click the link down in the description box. Thanks again to Love and Pies for sponsoring this part of today's video, and let's go ahead and jump back into some more gift ideas. I am obsessed with this Tree Hut sugar scrub that I pick up at Walmart. I love all of the flavors. That's one of my favorite things, to go to Walmart and just smell these. I am just obsessed with them. I love anything coconut. I love the vitamin C one. But they are a little bit pricey. Now, I do give these all the time away for gifts, so if it's in your budget, go ahead and spend that. It's well worth it, in my opinion, just how good it smells and how nice it leaves your skin. But you can make some DIY sugar scrub if you don't want to spend the money or you want to make this in bulk. And all it is some sugar and coconut oil, as well as a little bit of food coloring, and then you can put in a few essential drops of whatever smell that you want. And I'm using one of these Dollar Tree jars that actually clamps down with a seal, so it's not going to let it dry out or anything. And you can always go in and add more coconut oil or whatever you need. But this also works like to get any dead skin off of your knees or elbows. I wanted to dress these jars up a little bit more, so I'm just using some golden Dollar Tree rub-on transfers, the XOXO, and this little sweet sign. And these are perfect to gift or set them out for decor for yourself, but it's such a fun sweet treat without any of the calories. Some of Dollar Tree's wax melts can be hit or miss, so make sure you smell them in the store, or whoever you're gifting them, make sure they don't have any like irritants to smells, but they work pretty much for what they are. I melted some of these down in the microwave. Be super safe. The glass does heat up really hot. You can do this over the stove. I've done that in some like old pans and things I didn't care to like not use food again in. But I am pouring it down in these Dollar Tree little silicone molds very carefully. I did discover that you don't really have to have all 6 squares to fill up one of these little silicone molds. All you need is like 4 of the squares, or maybe even like 3.5 of them. But I went ahead and did pink and purple and then bagged these up in a cute little packaging, and these make the cutest little gift. You could even pair them with like an inexpensive wax melter, or just give them as is and tell them what it is. I thought it would be cute to put a tag on there that's like, I will melt for you, or I melt for you. But tied it with a little bow, and then I even tried it out in my little melter, and I love how this one smells. For this next gift DIY, you're going to need a pair of fake eyelashes. Yes, you heard me right, some eyelashes. I'm going to put it on this really cute little mug that I'm painting to just make it look extra fun. So I took 2 of the Dollar Tree clear glass mugs, painted them white, and then I'm going to put these little eyelashes on there, as well as painting a mouth. Now these do have a little bit of like self-adhesive, what was kind of just attaching it to the packaging. You can use that, but if you wanted to really secure these, you could put some super glue on them. And I just drew a little mouth. It looked cuter when I just outlined it, because when I filled it in, I feel like it kind of looked like, I don't know, like a duck bill or something, but it still looked really cute. I was scared to outline it with a Sharpie black marker, scared that it would just be too bold and not look right. But let me know how you would have made the mouth look a little bit cuter. But still loved how these turned out. I filled them up with some socks and some chocolates, and this would be a really cute gift to give. Dollar Tree is usually on top of things whenever it becomes like each different season, especially when it comes to gift ideas. So they're pushing a lot of these little like corners that have like the last minute gifts, and I love checking these out because they do make great gifts, but they also are like really fun to pick up for yourself. They get a lot of new like beauty products and just fun stuff to try. So I picked up one of their little plastic tubs, put a piece of tissue paper down in it, and just started filling it full of the fun new beauty products. I love like their little collagen wipes, as well as these little travel pieces. They have the chocolate stirring spoons, which I don't know, that's kind of like mixed feelings on those. Some people hate them, some people like them. And then I had some fun makeup little sponges, as well as some other little makeup pieces, and then I stuck a little stuffed animal down in there to make it dressed up for Valentine's Day. They had a little roller, and this will be really cute wrapped up in a cellophane bag. One of my favorite gift ideas that I have ever made was this little puzzle piece. Someone mentioned it the other day, making one, and I knew I had made one a while back, but I just took a Dollar Tree shadow box and went ahead and unscrewed the little screws in it so I could paint it white. And then I took a puzzle that had many little puzzle pieces, painted them pink, and then I'm going to put it in the shape of a heart. You could fill the entire heart in and just kind of build it up made out of puzzle pieces. I decided just to leave it as the little outline and glue them one by one. I feel like this turned out even better than expected. I did get on the computer and print out "Love You" to pieces and then glued that on another piece so it would really pop off of the backing. But I feel like this is a perfect little saying to go with the puzzle pieces. Of course, you could write anything that you would want on here to make it more personal, but I thought this was cute as is. Sometimes less is more. I put the frame back together, put the backing on, and this would be the perfect gift to give to someone. This would be perfect for like an office or somewhere that they could set it around, but super, super cute. You could even put like a couple of the puzzle pieces like loose down in the bottom. Thank you all so much for checking out today's video. Don't forget about Love and Pies. I absolutely love playing that, making the baked goods, as well as renovating and being creative, fixing up the new little cafe. It's the cutest thing ever. Go get that downloaded. Thanks again for watching. Please leave that big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. I'll be going on into some spring DIYs very soon, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.